20 Things Guys Love When Girls Do. Hey, guys, welcome back to Better You Blueprint. Today's video is all about 20 things guys love when girls do. Now, before we start, remember that everyone's different, and these are generalizations, so take what resonates. But trust me, these little things go a long way. Let's dive in. 1. A genuine smile. A real, heartfelt smile isn't just attractive, it's magnetic. It shows warmth, confidence, and happiness. Plus, smiles are scientifically proven to be contagious, so when you smile, you instantly make the person across from you feel more at ease. Example. Think about when you're sharing a joke or when something truly makes you happy. Those are the moments guys notice. A smile that reaches your eyes, maybe with a little laugh, leaves a lasting impression. 2. Playful teasing. Playful teasing is like adding a bit of spice to a conversation. It shows you're confident and that you don't take things too seriously. Guys love it when you can laugh together and keep things lighthearted. Example. Maybe he says something slightly off, and you reply with, "Oh wow, is that your best line?" followed by a cheeky smile. It's all about the fun energy. Don't overdo it, though, because balance is key. 3. Showing support. Support isn't about big, dramatic gestures. It's the little ways you show that you're in his corner. When a guy feels like you're rooting for him, it boosts his confidence and strengthens the bond between you. Example. Cheer him on before an important meeting, compliment his progress at the gym, or tell him, "I believe in you." Even sending a "good luck, you've got this" text can mean the world. 4. Thoughtful surprises. It doesn't have to be expensive or over the top. Thoughtful surprises show that you're thinking about him even when you're apart. It could be something as simple as bringing his favorite candy or remembering a story he shared and referencing it later. Example. Let's say he mentioned missing his favorite childhood snack. Imagine his reaction when you surprise him with it one day. He'll see how attentive and caring you are. 5. Confidence in herself. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities anyone can have. When a girl embraces her quirks, her style, and her personality unapologetically, it's incredibly magnetic. Confidence doesn't mean being loud, it's about owning who you are. Example. Whether it's rocking a bold outfit or speaking up in a group setting, showing that you're comfortable in your skin tells him, "I know my worth." And trust me, he'll notice. 6. Being able to laugh at herself. Life isn't perfect, and neither are we. A girl who can laugh at herself shows she's not afraid of imperfections. It's endearing and relatable. Example. Picture this. You accidentally trip or spill something. Instead of getting embarrassed, you make a joke like, "And the award for most graceful goes to me." That kind of humor lightens the moment and shows resilience. 7. Being a good listener. Guys love when girls truly listen, not just nodding along but being present and engaged. When you ask thoughtful follow-up questions or remember little details he mentioned, it makes him feel valued. Example. He might mention a stressful situation at work, and days later, you check in with, "How did that project go?" That attention to detail shows you care about what matters to him. 8. Showing interest in his hobbies. You don't have to love everything he loves, but showing genuine curiosity about his hobbies means a lot. It shows you're willing to understand what excites him, even if it's outside your interests. Example. Maybe he's into a sport you don't know much about. Asking, "Can you teach me the basics?" or sitting down to watch a game with him will make him feel like his passions matter to you. 9. Random acts of kindness. Sometimes, it's the little, unexpected things that leave the biggest impression. Random acts of kindness show thoughtfulness and that you're thinking about him, even in the smallest ways. Example. Bringing him coffee on a busy day or sending a funny meme that reminded you of him. These seemingly small gestures can brighten his day more than you realize. 10. Taking the lead sometimes. While some guys are natural planners, they love it when a girl takes charge occasionally. It shows initiative and that you're not afraid to take control when needed. Example. Plan a date night and say, "I've got this. Be ready by 7. Whether it's trying a new restaurant or organizing a fun activity, he'll love the effort you put into it. 11. Giving genuine compliments. Guys don't often get compliments, so when you give one, it stands out. Be sincere and specific. Those are the compliments that stick. Example. Instead of a generic, "You're great," say something like, "You're so thoughtful," like how you remembered I love, insert favorite thing. He'll appreciate the personal touch. 12. Being goofy. Guys love when girls aren't afraid to be silly. It makes interactions fun, relaxed, and memorable. Example. Think dancing in the kitchen, making funny faces, or cracking inside jokes. It's all about being carefree and showing your fun side. 13. Sharing her passions. When you talk about something you love, your energy becomes contagious. Guys are drawn to that excitement and authenticity. Example. Whether it's your favorite book, a hobby, or a dream project, sharing what lights you up lets him see the real you. 14. Taking care of herself. Self-care isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. When you take time to care for yourself, it shows self-respect and independence. Example. This could mean pursuing your fitness goals, practicing mindfulness, or even just treating yourself to a spa day. 15. Sending random, sweet texts. Out of the blue texts show that you're thinking about him, and it doesn't have to be elaborate. Example. Send a quick, "Hey, I hope your day's going great," or even a funny GIF. It's a small thing that keeps the connection alive. 16. Showing appreciation. Guys love when their efforts are noticed, even if they're small. Saying, "Thank you," for the little things makes him feel valued. Example. If he opens a door for you or remembers your coffee order, let him know you noticed and appreciated it. 17. Being authentic. Authenticity is attractive. Pretending to be someone you're not will only push people away in the long run. Example. Share your real thoughts, quirks, and emotions. It's better to be loved for who you truly are than for a facade. 18. Offering hugs or cuddles. Physical affection is a simple but powerful way to show care and comfort. Guys often love the reassurance of a hug after a rough day. Example. Even a quick hug before parting ways can be a small but meaningful gesture. 19. Being independent. Independence is incredibly appealing. Having your own goals, friends, and hobbies shows that you're confident and self-sufficient. Example. While spending time together is great, make sure you're also thriving in your own space. It only strengthens the relationship. 20. Showing love in her own way. Everyone expresses love differently, and guys appreciate when you show care in a way that's unique to you. Example. Whether it's writing a heartfelt note, cooking his favorite meal, or simply being there when he needs support, your personal touch matters. That's it for today's video. 20 things guys love when girls do. Did anything resonate with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.